Markets find their footing as the Trump-Musk feud cools and Argentine President Milei is cleared of any wrongdoing for promoting Libra. I'm Jen Sanasie. This is your first look at the markets on CoinDesk Daily. Bitcoin climbed over the weekend, offering a reprieve after a jittery week in markets. The recovery seems driven by a pause in headline drama, a shift from the public feud between U.S. President Donald Trump and Tesla CEO Elon Musk that rattled investors. With tensions easing, markets found their footing. But concerns persist, this time from China. Deflationary pressures are mounting. Consumer prices fell 0.1% year over year in May, while factory gate prices plunged 3.3%, the sharpest drop since October 2022. In response, the People's Bank of China is trimming interest rates, cutting reserve requirements, and injecting liquidity, moves that could eventually support crypto markets, which often trade in tandem with global liquidity trends. Back in the U.S. now, all eyes are on this week's inflation data due Wednesday. A hotter than expected reading could delay the Fed's next rate cut and trigger fresh volatility. In a note Monday, Spanish bank Bankinter warned that rising inflation in U.S. bond yields could pressure equity valuations and weaken the fear of missing out momentum that's been driving global stocks and risk assets. The yield on the 10-year Treasury has already climbed to 4.5%, a level that could weigh on sentiment if inflation surprises to the upside. As of Monday morning, Bitcoin is trading above $106,000, up nearly 2%, while the broader CoinDesk 20 index has gained almost 2% at about 3,070. Wish you could access cash without selling your Bitcoin? Ledn makes that possible. The global leader in Bitcoin-backed lending, Ledn has issued over $9 billion in loans since 2018 and never lost a single satoshi of client assets. Why is a Ledn loan different? With custodied loans, collateral is not lent out to generate interest, no credit checks, funds in less than 12 hours, no monthly payments, repay whenever you want with zero penalties. And proof of reserves reports verified by a top accounting firm are published every 6 months. Ledn gives Bitcoin holders a secure, transparent way to unlock liquidity without selling. Learn more at ledn.io. That's LEDN.io. And Argentine President Javier Milei was cleared of any wrongdoing over his promotion of the Libra meme coin in February. That's according to a report from the Buenos Aires Herald. A resolution issued on Friday by the country's anti-corruption office argued that the president was speaking as, quote, an economist and not a public official when he shared Libra news on X. You'll remember that Libra's co-creator Hayden Davis bragged in text messages about his influence over Milei because of payments he made to Karina Milei, the president's sister. Javier Milei's post about the Solana-based meme coin promoted it as a project designed to help small and medium-sized companies in Argentina raise capital. Libra surged to a market cap of around $4.5 billion at the time. Hours later, he deleted the post, saying he didn't know the details of the project when he promoted it. This was followed by a sell-off, crashing Libra by 90% and wiping out over $4 billion in value. According to data from Nansen, 86% of traders lost a total of $251 million, with the remainder securing $180 million in profit. Get your morning market update at 7 a.m. Eastern Time by subscribing to the Crypto Daybook America's newsletter. We'll see you tomorrow.